Not many people pay attention to how their ears look, but those with awkwardly structured ears find this feature becoming a pain point. In some people, the external ear is not fully formed at birth, which can leave them feeling alienated among their peers. A child facing this issue can feel underconfident and upset that he or she may not be able to experience the joys of childhood due to the stigma attached to looking different. This can have a deep and lasting effect on the child's well-being and future. But you don't need to worry anymore because there is a solution to this. Dr. Rajat has all the answers to your child's troubles. A simple surgery to reconstruct the ear will give your child all the confidence they need and have them going back to a regular life.
Ear reconstruction surgery is needed either by individuals or kids who are not born with ear or born with very small size of rudimentary ear. Other than these, there might be certain individuals who have lost ear due to certain accident, maybe a road traffic accident, or may have lost ear due to some facial burns or acid burns. These are the individuals who may need ear reconstruction surgeries. So the gold standard method for ear reconstruction surgery is something which is new ear is made of rib cartilage. So in this procedure, we harvest the rib cartilage of that same individual. So there is an incision on the chest and we harvest the rib cartilage. Now understand actually what the ear is. It's a cartilage and the skin. So the new ear also has a cartilage and the skin. So we harvest the cartilage from your own ribs and we carve out an ear out of this block of ribs. And this now framework of the ear is put back into the skin cover of the scalp or the face, side of the face. And that's how we make an ear. Now, nobody can replace God. What we do is we make sure that this new ear is exactly similar to the opposite ear in size and shape. So we take a carbon print of the opposite ear of that individual and design the new framework according to that only. We just switch on the sides from right to left or left to right. But obviously there will be a lot of dissimilarities between these two ears. But thankfully, no individual can see both their ears simultaneously. They are on the sides of their face and they are stuck. So you don't find finer nuances, differences, even if they are. But our aim is to make it very similar to your existing ear. Not same, but similar. Let's put it this way. They will look like their brother, but they'll not look like twins.
This and many other surgical and non-surgical treatments and procedures can put you on the road to a happier and more confident life. Dr. Rajat, who is one of the most trusted names in the field of cosmetic surgery, has all the answers to your problems. Book an appointment with him today